Alright, what's good YouTube? J Profit Forex right here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a strategy that can make you over $10,000 on YouTube right here today. Alright, so this strategy already have made me thousands of dollars, right? Which I'm gonna show you guys the proof. Starting from my Cortana account, my funded account, it's actually a 10K account. I've been able to make $1,200 on it. I'm gonna show you guys the proof right here. And then on my own personal funded account, my own personal deposit, I made over a $2,000, which I'm gonna just show you guys right here. And now today we're going to dive into this strategy, and I hope you guys are going to learn, right? All right, what's good, trader? Your Profit Forex right here. So welcome back to this episode. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys my strategy that I've used to make $1,000 across my funded account, starting off from my Cortana accounts, a $10,000 funded account that I've been able to make over $1,200 plus. You guys can see the screenshot right here. And then the next trade I want to actually dive into right now is the CAD signal I sent for you guys. But that's by the way. Let me get straight into this video. I hope you guys follow up. Stay to the end of this video to learn my full strategy that can make you over a $10,000 trading the financial market. All right, now the first thing I want to actually show you guys is how this strategy works. Now, I've actually made some kind of videos, or I made a video about the same strategy that has been, I think that was like last week, the last video I did. If you've not watched that video, kindly go check it out. Right, but I'm still going to repeat the same thing. I'm still going to show you guys trade examples pertaining this thing. All right, so let's get straight into it and let me show you guys what the strategy is all about. Now, first of all, now you need to identify the structure of the market, identify the trend of the market. Now, I make use of the IFC candle pattern, right? Now, this is how it goes, right? So let's say we're having a downtrending structure, right? Lower lows, lower highs. Now, basically, IFC candle pattern, or IFC, the word IFC simply means institution funded candle. Now, what this candle does is that it takes out major highs and lows. Now, those points people are looking to sell or buy from. These are places that the market will tend to go what take out and then what still continue, even though you're right in the direction you wanted to take before, but market will definitely what take you out before moving in your direction. So let's get straight into this and let me show you guys an example. So let's say we're having a downtrending structure, right, whereby having break of structure to the downside, right, showing what down trending market, right. So in this scenario right here, let's have it that market pulls up, right. Let's say that you have from this range, this is your lower high right here. Okay, this is your lower high and market already broke structure right here, giving you this as your lower low. So automatically you now have from here to here as your range what to sell. So basically you're waiting for price to what pull all the way back into a very nice and unmitigated area of supply or order block for you to sell from. Now, this war market, or this is how my strategy works in particular, not really fully my strategy, but it's part of what I trade, right? It's gonna make you, if you focus on this guys, it's gonna make you thousands of dollars in the market, right? So basically what price is likely to do here is, instead of let's say we have an order block right here, let's say we have an unmitigated OB sitting right on the extreme right here that we want to sell from, right? And then when market gets to this order block, instead of market respecting, it might show some sign of reactions, right? Might show some reaction, but instead of market selling from here, we're likely to see it what sweep this high. Once you sweep this high right here, once you sweep the high, you see the market reject back again. Now, this is what IFC can do. Basically, what this thing just did is that it went for stop losses, right? It actually went to hunt stop losses. So when you see something like this, I have a confirmation. I don't just enter because I saw market sweep a major high or low. I want to see confirmation. So I use what I call the SCOB, right? I use what I call the SCOB. Right now, what's the SCOB? SCOB simply means single candle order block, right? I need to see it for me to confirm a trade setup. Now, let's get straight into the chart for you guys to understand this perfectly. Now, let's start off with, so this is actually a trade setup that I'm currently running on right now, which I'm going to show you guys the screenshots or the running trade right now on my page, or on this screen rather. Now, look at this Euro CHF for example and see what happened here. Now looking at Euro CHF, we can actually see that we are in a downtrending market. All right, the price is in a downtrending market. All right, so you're going to see that this is a break of structure right here. Okay, And now, what are we expecting next? We're definitely expecting that price will still continue what? Bearish. And then the next thing I need to do after spotting my bearish structure, I need to what? Find out my range, right? What's my range here? Okay, I have this what? Lower high to this lower low right here. All right, so basically I'm looking out for an unmitigated supply for me to tap into, and then I'll sell from there. But looking at this right here, what's the unmitigated supply that we can see right here? Let's try and see something, guys. If you're looking for an unmitigated supply, right, me and you can't bear that we have this guy to be our unmitigated what? Supply. Something like this here. All right, so this is what we'll have as our unmitigated supply to sell from. But now see what price did. Price went for this lower high. What can we see right here? Price swept this lower high right here. As price swept that lower high, let me show you guys how I go into this trade entry right here. All right, let me take it out. So as price swept that lower high, you can see it rejected below. As market rejected below, now what I needed to see was a close of a candle below it, which price closed below right here. As price closed below, now what's the next thing? I'll now need to go. You can actually sell from this candle directly. You can sell from this candlestick right here directly if you want. But the only disadvantage is that you're going to get a lesser risk reward in the market. You're going to have like, instead of having about 5 RR, you tend to get like lesser risk reward, about 3 RR, 2 RR rather. So I don't want to enter the market like that. Rather, what I do is I'll go for 1 minute time frame refinement. Now, when I get to the 1 minute time frame, what am I looking for? I need to see my inducement, right? So what's our inducement right here? This is a pullback, and this is my first inducement right here after break of structure. Now, meaning that we have this unmitigated OB, I'll still have this one sitting on the extreme. So I like taking the extreme OBs, right? So this guy right here is my unmitigated what? Order block. So this was where I had my entries on, and I put my entry right here, and of course my SL, I think I had about 5 pips SL. Yeah, I had about 5 pip SL for this trade. Boom. So go back to the 15 minutes time frame. So when you get back to the 15 minutes time frame, let's see how the market plays out right here. So where's my target to start with? My target is actually this low, guys. So simply because market is bearish, as you can see, that's over 10 hour trade right there. So let's see. You can see market tapped in right there, and currently this is where we are on Euro CHF. Now I'm gonna show you guys more trade examples, what happened on CAD JPY as well, because I still shared a CAD JPY signal to my Telegram channel. So if you're not on my Telegram channel, kindly go down to the description box below, tap that link right there, join my Telegram channel, and enjoy my free signals. So let's go over to the chat, to the signal group on my Telegram. Let me show you guys. So this was the trade right here. As you can see, you have over 794 people. So let's get to $1,000 subscribers, I mean to say. So basically, this was the trade setup right here on CAD CHF, CAD JPY, I mean to say. Now I'm going to break down this trade. As you can see, this 15 minutes time frame right here on CAD JPY, and it was still the same thing that happened on this CAD JPY. So let's get to CAD JPY. Let me show you guys. I think that should be this, right? So if you look at CAD JPY right now, let me go back to that particular time. But this one right here, it happened on the 1 hour time frame. So I use 15 minutes time frame and the 1 hour time frame as my higher time frames, guys. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let me show you guys how I got to this entry. Now, first of all, on CAD JPY, guys. First of all, on CAD JPY, let me take price back. The first thing that I saw on CAD JPY was this unmitigated area of supply right here. This guy right here, and it's on the extreme. Now, basically, the reason why I tried selling from here is because price have been bullish. We go to 15 minutes time frame. Like I said, I use 15 minutes time frame, stroke the 1 hour time frame. So if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, price on CAD JPY have been bullish, I mean to say. But now we can see we took out a major low and we closed below. So see, this is the closure right here. So I was expecting market to do what? So the price came right here, swept this high. As price swept that high, what happened? Price pushed to the downside, right? No, now this is actually a grab of liquidity right here. Okay, so as price grab liquidity stood, we went to the downside, and we have this to be a break of structure. Okay, as this is a break of structure right here, valid one simply because price closed below. Now, the next thing I'm expecting is for price to take out inducement. When price takes out inducement, I'll look for the extreme order block to sell from. Basically, coming to the 15 minutes time frame, I'll have to refine this down to this guy right here. I'll refine this to this area as my order block. So if you look at the same picture or the signal I sent to Telegram, so you're going to see the same thing. This Telegram channel signal right here. Let's get to, let me show you guys. You can see it's still the same thing right here. So I told them to sell CAD JPY. After I confirmed using the SUB, I told them to sell directly from this order block sitting right here. Let's see. So market mitigated us in on this trade and we moved in for about 4 RR, but market failed to move as I expected, guys. Let's see. So this was the drop that we had on CAD JPY, exactly this drop right here, and we were running already at 4%, guys. So basically, after that, now this is what price did. Let me show you guys. Now, if you look at this structure right here, you're going to see that lower high. Now, basically, what's our range? This is my range. This lower high to this lower low. So I have from here to here, anything between that point to sell the market from. But now, see what market did. Market already knows, or people already know that, yeah, this is a range for them to sell from. So if market should break it, then that means I think they will now call it an invalid setup. So what did market do basically? Let's see. Market went all the way up. Let's see. So price went all the way up to go clear out that liquidity. Boom. Price cleared out that liquidity. Now, if you go to 1 hour time frame, that's where it was clear for me. Let me show you guys very well what I saw on 1 hour time frame. So looking at that lower high point right here, what can we see right here? Can we see that market cleared out that lower high? Let's see, this is the lower high. What's the highest point there? This is the highest point right here. What can we see right here? You can see this is sweep of that high and a closure below. So what did I do? I confirmed this with my SUB, which you can see price already confirmed using SUB. I will sell directly from this other block simply because the SL is what a little bit tight, right? You can see I had about 10 pips stop loss, which is quite okay. And there was my target. I switched to the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, what was my target? I targeted this low right here. This low right here. This was my target, and this was over 12 to 9 hour trade. Let's see how trade played out. As you can see, guys, market moved massively into my TP, guys. So this is the strategy I'm telling you about. So if you want to learn more about my strategy, simply swipe up, follow me on Instagram and send me a DM if you actually want to learn exactly how I trade and it's going to make you money. So stay tuned, guys, for the next video. The next video is going to be my trade breakdown on my funded accounts. I passed my phase 1 using just 9 trades. Alright, so I'm going to break that down in my next video. Stay tuned and stay blessed. J Profit Forex right here, signing out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notification to get notified when next time I post a video. Alright, peace out.